Imagine always having your latest work right at your fingertips. No matter which computer you're on, that's the magic of setting up Dropbox on 2 devices. First things first, if you don't already have a Dropbox account, head over to the Dropbox website and create one. It's simple and free to get started. Once your account is set up, you'll need to download the Dropbox desktop application. For the first computer, look for the download link on the Dropbox website and install it like any other program. During the installation, Dropbox will guide you through a few simple steps. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and you'll likely be fine with the default settings. After installation, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter the email address and password for the Dropbox account you just created or already have. Dropbox will then ask you to choose how you want to sync your files. For most people, the default setting, often called Selective Sync, is perfect. This lets you choose which folders from your Dropbox will be downloaded to this computer. Once you're signed in and set up, you'll notice a new Dropbox folder appears in your computer's File Explorer or Finder. Anything you put in here will automatically be uploaded to your online Dropbox. Now, let's move to your second computer. Repeat the process: download and install the Dropbox desktop application on this new device. Again, sign in with the exact same Dropbox account details you used on the first computer. Just like before, choose your sync preferences. Importantly, if you want your files to be accessible and synced on both computers, make sure you're selecting similar folders to sync on this second machine. And that's it. Now, when you add, edit, or delete a file in your Dropbox folder on either computer, Dropbox will automatically sync those changes across both devices, ensuring your work is always up to date and readily available. Effortless syncing across your desktop and laptop, seamless access to all your projects, wherever you are. Happy syncing!